Hey guys, welcome back to SPR Garage, and this is part 4 of my engine build that I did a few years back, and I'm doing the timing chain and the timing setup in this one. So, that's all I really have to say, so enjoy it. Hey guys, and on this episode of Garage, I'm going to be working on the 408 a little bit more. Alright, so I don't have the push rods yet. I'd like to get them, but since I'm currently out of work because of the coronavirus, I have to wait for unemployment or this check we're supposed to be getting. And then I'll probably get them ordered. But I do have a couple things. I've got the timing set and the timing cover gaskets, and I've also got an accessory bolt kit, which I will actually show you, and it's really cool what they did, but I will show you that. But first things first, where the timing cover sits has got a little bit of surface rust on it, so I'm gonna sand where the gasket's supposed to sit with some fine grit sandpaper, and hopefully not mess anything up, and then we'll be taking these bolts off so I can put the timing gear set on and actually have these two connected finally. Now the timing gear set is nothing too special. It is a double roller performance timing set from Summit Racing, and get it out of here. The crankshaft gear actually can be set at different timing marks. I'm just going to put it at 0 right now because I don't know much about this. I've seen an episode or two on how to do the timing using this gear, but I don't know much about it, so I'm not going to do it. I'm just going to put it at 0 and just make sure that it's in time. But it is a true double roller. Nothing too fancy, nothing or whatnot. But yeah, I'm going to put it on there and put the Woodruff keys in, because both the crank and the camshaft, where is it? There it is. You can't really see it. Or actually you can. Require one. So I'm going to put those in, and then we're going to get on to putting the timing cover on, and before I do that, I will show you that bolt kit that I got, which is really kind of cool. My heater just freaked out. And as you can see, we now got the timing the timing gears and chain on there. I know the lighting's bad, but you got the timing marks, you got 0 and the dot lined up. So it is now in time, and now I just need to get the push rods. But now we're going to move on to putting the cover on, that way that will be sealed. And that's also when I will show you this bolt pack, because like I said, it's pretty cool. So I'm going to clean all this up and get that all out. Alright, now the bolt kit I'm getting ready to use to put the timing cover on and possibly the accessory brackets is by a company named Alloy Bolts. Now, what's really cool is they have each bolts, like for different parts of the engine, packaged and labeled properly. And it's really cool, honestly. And you can either get stainless steel bolts and then ARP grade 8 bolts. Now, these aren't ARP, but it's mainly just the accessories and the valve covers and the timing cover that's really like mainstream. There is also the thermostat housing, but those don't have to be torqued down a ton, so it's really nice. And they even give you a sheet that has the torque specifications for either these bolts or the ARP bolts, which is really cool. So I'm going to be using the timing cover bolts to put on the timing cover, obviously, and we'll go from there. So, oh, and there's also the gaskets I gotta put on, so. Alright, well, got a little something on the lens. That's better. Alright, well, got the timing cover on and the timing chain. I've only got 3 bolts holding on the timing cover right now because I'd like to figure everything else out and how to put the accessory brackets on. And I still need to get a water pump. And I don't know when I'm going to get that. The accessory brackets, I can put those on right now. I don't remember the order they go on, so I gotta go look at a picture, which is on my tablet, which is not here with me. It's back at home. So I did a lot of this stuff off camera, too. I had to pull the camshaft out because the keyway that went into the camshaft was too tall, so I had to do the only option and grind it down a little bit. I know there's going to be a lot of you screaming in the comments saying, no, you're not supposed to do that, but it was my only option, and it worked. And the camshaft gear is nice and snug on there. It's not going to come off anytime soon. And that's pretty much it. So, again, guys, like, subscribe, share. Everybody stay healthy out there. Keep up with your hygiene. English, it's not my forte. But anyway, until next time, guys, see you later.